So in this Vista Create tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to add filters to an image here on Vista Create. So once you have Vista Create opened up on your device, what I want you to do is to go to the left-hand side of your screen and press on the photos icon right here to add a photo to your design. So let's just say, for example, you wanted to add a photo of a beach. I'll just type in the word beach right there. What it'll do is find a nice photo right here. So if you wanted to use this one, for example, of this image right here, I'll use this one right here as a demonstration. And if you wanted to add a filter to it, it's pretty straightforward. It'll make the photo a little bit larger. Press on the image. Once you're onto the image, I want you to go to where it says edit image right here in the top left hand side of your screen. And where it says filters right here on the left hand side, you can select whatever filter you're looking for. So you can go to, festive filter, the drama filter, you can make it grayscale, you can make it, the selfie filter, whatever the case may be. You can change the filter intensity as well by sliding here, making it more or making it less. You can go to the advanced settings as well to change the brightness, etc. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to add filters to an image here on Vista Create. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.